In this section, we discuss the fifth pillar of social media marketing, paid social media. You learn that when used strategically, paid social media can increase the success of your social media campaigns. Let's review what we discussed about paid social media. Paying for ads on social media is beneficial because it allows you to share your content with specific audiences. By developing highly relevant advertisements or paying to boost your organic content, you can more effectively reach both new customers and returning ones. Paid and organic social media work together, and both may play a part in your campaigns. However, ads are especially helpful when you want to achieve goals like raising brand awareness and driving conversions. Developing a paid social media strategy can help you achieve these goals. To develop your strategy, you'll need to define your ad campaign's objective, audience, platform, length, and budget, and create and upload your content. Remarketing can also help you accomplish your goals by giving you another opportunity to reach your potential leads or customers. You can implement pixel or list-based remarketing to personalize your remarketing efforts for your audience. The goals you set in your paid social media strategy will help guide your budget. Most paid social media budgets generally include ad spend, tools, content creation, and management. And finally, you pay for ads on social media through auction-style bidding strategies. These bidding strategies should be tied to goals such as driving website traffic or generating revenue. Some of the most common bidding strategies include cost per click, cost per action, and cost per 1,000 impressions. Understanding how to advertise effectively on social media can help you achieve results while maximizing your budget. And demonstrating that you're able to make the most out of your advertising budget can make you very desirable to employers. We're just about done with this course. To wrap up, we'll review everything you've learned about social media marketing so far.